Zach and Tanya are giving speeches about government funding for space exploration.
Space exploration should be funded by the federal government. Space missions lead to important scientific discoveries. This is just as important as government funding of science on Earth.
I don't want to live in a nation that is blind to the thrilling possibilities of space exploration. Government funding of space missions might just be the last best hope for humanity to find that ultimate needle in a haystack, another planet that can support human life. Zach's speech didn't move me or make me feel like I have to support spending billions of dollars on space exploration. I understood his point, but he didn't speak with any nuance or emotion.
Tanya used very engaging language. I agree with her. I don't want to live in a nation that stops exploring space either.
What makes a great speech? It may not be the ideas in the speech, but how those ideas are delivered. These and other language tools can make a powerful and engaging speech.